Hello, so here we have this worksheet with several sentences in Spanish, and the words that are included in the blanks are saber o conocer. Saber is to know, and conocer is also to know, but you gotta know when to use each word appropriately. So, for example, number one says Carlos blank que a María no le gusta hacer la tarea. Carlos, then the correct one you would choose is saber. So Carlos, and you would take out the R. Carlos sabe que a María no le gusta hacer la tarea. Carlos knows that Maria does not like to do her homework. Number two says, mis padres blank a la familia Hernández. Mis padres, and the word you would choose is conocer. But you would say, mis padres, and since it's plural, you would say, conocen a la familia Hernández. So the difference between number one and two, number one, we use saber is because that's if you know something. You know something. For example, number two, it gives an example of somebody knowing someone else. So a person. So for number two, we would use conocer. Conocer. Number three, blank. Tú a Alicia Meléndez, la actriz famosa. So it says blank Alicia Meléndez, the famous actor. So you would use conocer because it's asking if you know someone. So it's saying, so you would say conoces a Alicia Meléndez, la actriz famosa. Do you know Alicia Meléndez, the famous actor? So it's talking about someone, so you would just use conocer. Number four is yo blank hablar español. So you would say yo, and the word would be saber, so you would conjugate it to yo sé hablar español. I know how to talk Spanish. Number five, ella y yo blank algunos restaurantes mexicanos. Ella y yo blank restaurantes mexicanos. So it's talking about her and I blank Mexican restaurants. Ella y yo conocer. So you would conjugate it to ella y yo conocemos algunos restaurantes mexicanos. We know a couple of Mexican restaurants. Ella y yo conocemos. We know. Number six, Miguel blank a Jennifer Lopez. And we would choose the word conocer. And we would conjugate it by saying, Miguel conoce a Jennifer Lopez. Miguel knows Jennifer Lopez. Number seven, ¿cuál es la respuesta para el número 9? Carlos, yo no. And then the word we would choose is saber, and we would conjugate it by saying, yo no sé. It says, which is the response for number 9, Carlos? I don't know. Yo no sé.